Hey guys, welcome back. We have something kind of cool today. We have a 23-foot 6-inch hallway there, and it's connected to 2 bedrooms on each side. Here's this one, and get turned around here, and then there's one way down the other end. And years ago when I got into flooring, I was taught how to do these. Was you put that seam together, and you go down to your next piece, and you put this piece together, and you just stretch into that room, and then stretch into that room, and that would, you know, that was supposedly would stretch in your hallway, which sure enough, you know, after a while I would be getting called back to these places and be like, our hallway's all wrinkled up. It's because it never got stretched, and hallways, you know, are gonna get a lot of traffic. So what we're gonna do here is we got the stretcher set up, and what I'm gonna do is stretch down to this end prior to putting this seam together. I'm actually gonna hand the camera over to Ronnie. Ronnie's new at the camera here, folks, so
First time.
don't judge him too much on it. But what I'm gonna do is just take big stretches down here. I wanna get this nice and taut and tight up into here. I'll stay nail it across here, and then when I go to put this together, this piece to this piece, there's already tension on here. When I go to pull this way, all I have to do is just pull this from. I don't need to, per se, need to pull so much into here. So all we're gonna use is some, these are galvanized nails, roughly about the same size as the teeth on the bottom of the stretcher. And I like to stay nail behind my stretcher. I don't know that there's a problem with it if you wanted to do it in front of your stretcher. I guess I don't know that that'd be an issue. Ronnie, you gotta get zoomed in on this guy right here. This is the new Crane, their lever extension tube. This is the first time I used it, so I'm kind of excited about it. I might do a review on it. Actually, let me know if you guys want to hear a review on it. But anyways, let's get our first stretch down here. There's a lot of poles there, so I like, you know, we're probably gonna go pretty tight here. But you can just see there's, you know, some tension on there. And so what I'm gonna do is come back into this area right here. And we're doing this on top of a wood subfloor. I guess I should have explained that sooner in the video. You wouldn't be able to do this over top of concrete, I don't think. I don't know how you get nails to hold. There, I might actually use something like a dead man, or set up, like maybe even build like a temporary wall, I guess you could say. That stretch. I'm gonna take just another stretch here. And you can see I'm causing just a little bit of a pucker right there. I am gonna try this. I don't know if it'll work or not. Let's try it. I'm gonna come up here and just see if I can get my stretcher to kind of just go back that way a little bit. I think what's happening here is when I went to make my stretch, the stretcher wants to walk this way, and it's just bringing carpet over with it. So there we go. That was actually easier than I thought it would be. So there's still a little bit of a pucker right here, but guess what? We got to stretch the hallway, everything that way anyways, so I'm not overly worried about it. Stick nails in quick. And this is like the perfect carpet to be putting stay nails in. You know, if this is a pattern, low level like Berber or something, you'd obviously want to make sure you're stretched down the hallway, that you're running, everything's running straight. I'm gonna take the stretch off. I do like lifting on the stretcher instead, so I don't know if you can zoom in here, Ron, just to kind of show you this here. But there is tension right there on the carpet, so, and that's what we're shooting for. So You know what, guys? I completely forgot to get the camera out when Big Ronnie started stretching. But, you know, we did get our nails out of there. And Big Ronnie did get a couple stretches up to there. He's got this wall set, and he's going to be finishing this up here shortly. So, again, yep, that's how we do it. That's how I do it. Leave some comments if you guys have any questions about that, or if you do it a little different. I always like to know. That's the reason I started this YouTube channel. I kind of like to know what everybody's doing out there. So thanks again.